All right, Facebook, Courtney Truman Steamers. We just got to our second job of the day. I want to give a shout out to Absolute Cleaning Services. Miss Tiffany, she's the one that referred us to this property. We're in Norcross, Georgia. This is just a small job, 2 rooms and 1 hallway, our minimum of $125. I actually talked to the homeowner and she said she had it done before and she wasn't happy with the services. So again, Tiffany did refer us to this job. And Tiffany, I want to say thank you again. All right, so you guys can see we pre-treated the carpets, also agitate, and you can see a big difference right there. So once we get back this way, I'm going to show you guys the difference in the cleaning, especially right here. So, all right, stay tuned. All right, guys, look how great these carpets are coming out. And Adam is really doing a great job on taking his time with his cleaning passes. You know, when you have a lot of cleaners that clean too fast, leaving a lot of soil in the fibers, and they're also leaving the carpets over wet. Look at that. And we use extremely hot water. So the hotter the water, the better the cleaning, and also helps speed up the dry times of the carpets. You can see where he stopped right here. Let me show you something. When you see stuff like that, ooh, this thing hot. Just lift it up like that.
Okay. It's hot.
It's hot, ain't it? Yeah. When you got really good hot water, it's gonna be one of your best friends when you clean it.
Yeah,
Yep, way better. I hear so many cleaners say, "Oh, you can clean with cold." I mean, you can clean with cold water, but it's not going to be as efficient, and it's not going to be as good. Nowhere near as hot water. Look at that. Amazing. You can't even tell there was a line right here. You can't even see it anymore.
I said you can really tell the difference.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. A big difference. And that's everything I'm teaching you, just the proper techniques so you get the best results.
Most definitely.
Yep. Always remember your cleaning agents, your dwell time, and what you're doing now is taking your time, making sure you get as much soil out of the carpets as possible. All right, guys, we are done. Look at how amazing these carpets came out. Remember that line right there? You can't even see it anymore. Good cleaning, good chemistry, good techniques. All right. So anyway, show you guys around before we lock it up. Nice. Carpets don't even feel wet. Nice dry strokes. Another happy customer. So anyway, shout out to my cleaning lady, Miss Tiffany, again, for referring us to her customers, her clients. Greatly appreciate it. 2 jobs today, and they both came through referral sources. So thank you again, Donna, for the job we did this morning in Alpharetta. And thank you, Tiffany, for the job that we're doing now in Norcross. And they actually wasn't that far from each other, too. So that turned out to be really good. All right, guys, thanks again. See you in the next one.